What's going on YouTube? So today's video we do have the new Air Jordan 5 SE sale colorway. We're going to do an overall review of this. We had it for a couple of weeks now. A lot of people were actually waiting for these to go on sale. 210 is very expensive in my opinion. I do think they're worth it for sure. They're a nice pair of sneakers. They're clean. You can't go wrong with like a cream off-white type of colorway. I'm really impatient, but this is my first time looking at them. The Air Jordan 5s right here in the sale colorway. Size 9, of course. We got this nice sale box. This is a very nice box. Since it is an SE, they technically do have higher quality. Just a better presentation overall. We're going to check them out. Oh, yeah. That's crazy. Got the little divider right there as well. Look at these. This is the perfect summer shoe right here. So you got those, like, cream shoelaces. The shoelaces are darker, obviously. Or suede-like material. It's like a kind of like a fake leather, synthetic leather. This is beautiful right here. You can check that out. Goes with every fit, matches with everything that you're gonna wear, and the quality is actually not too bad. Got that little air bubble right there as well. Quality is not bad. I'm not complaining about it. I got that exposed tongue right there as well. We're gonna get a closer look at a review table, but this is what they're looking like. I just want to see what they're on foot. Went on a little shopping spree for clothing. Got some all black from Fashion Nova, 2 types of cargos, and a pair of shorts as well. So our summer fits are about to be clean. I'm about to get a tattoo as well. Let me know what tats I should get. I'm gonna get one on my hand, one on my neck, and one on my arm. So let me know some tattoo ideas that you got, some inspiration or whatever in the comments down below. Okay, so these are one of the fits that we're rocking today in this little adventure. Unlike other reviewers where they just show off the sneakers and put them on feet, we're actually gonna use the sneakers like a real person, and we're gonna tell you my overall thoughts and opinions. Now what we do is we go full raw, so no crease protectors, no waterproof enhancements, whatever, nothing. We're gonna go raw, straight in the day in life with some sneakers. We're gonna show you if they're comfortable, number one, so no insoles or nothing. So just from driving, I'm pretty sure we did crease them. We're doing a little car test with them with no crease guards. Just a little bit. On this shoe is fine, but on this side, you definitely need crease guards for these shoes in general. I already have some coming on the way, but they're taking forever. I just want to wear them out. But they look so good with every single fit you're wearing. I wore an all black fit and I wore this fit right now. It's a nice neutral color of shoes. But yeah, so far I love them. Super comfortable, minimal profile. I love it. So like I said, this is the whole ground. It was uncomfortable walking with no crease guards. Obviously I was creasing them, but I was still going through. So this is what it looks like. We're just looking through some cars right here. Looking at that price tag made me want to not buy one, so we just kept looking. But it's good inspiration, you know, stay on the grind to eventually work up to something. But this is literally all of the gravel, and you can see what the damage was. That's just a little rundown, you know. So that's how that's gonna be. I'm fine with these getting dirty though. Like I don't mind. The only thing is I don't like when they crease because those are harder to get out. Number one, you do need crease protectors. So that's whether it's an upside or a downside, that's just a FY. So here it is after about 2 weeks. You can see I haven't cleaned them whatsoever. We wore them out. Like, you know, we went on gravel, we went on every single type of surface possible. You can see here, they look good still, even when they're like dirty, quote unquote. But I don't care if they get dirty. I just don't like creases. Those actually make me triggered for a... It does have this little air pocket right here, the little air bubble. Now I did return the Air Max DNs. If you have seen that video, personally, I didn't really like it too much to the point where I would want to keep those. They are comfortable, yes, they look decent, but they're too small for me. They looked really small, and I'm used to kind of bulky shoes to, you know, decent sizing. I don't like small shoes or small looking shoes. It's really cool, and this canvas material on the tongue as well with the puffed up Jumpman logo. You obviously have this little lace system right here. Now the thing I would change out, I would change these laces out for maybe a black pair to make it look a little better, because this does have some accents of black, as you can see here with that speckled on white. On the inside of the tongue, you do have the Air Jordan Cross. Without crease protectors, obviously it feels good. If you add crease protectors, I would probably go half a size bigger on this. So if you're a 9, go to 9.5. If you're 12, go 12.5. Just because it's gonna add a little bit less room in the shoe. So next time I get an AJ5 SE, I would probably go half a size bigger, or just wear really thin socks. Either or. I mean, they're doable for sure, but it's just very tight. So when I added those, that's just one of the things I noticed. But this is like a kind of like a suede-ish material. I want to say it's suede, so I would treat it like a suede. Treat them like you are cleaning suede, because they do get scratched pretty easily. I don't remember which side I cleaned, but I cleaned a side and it kind of scratched it a bit, but it might have went away. Or a fake leather, or just a different type of material. But this, it's soft, but it doesn't move like suede, so it's like in between. Nubuck. These are my favorite summer shoes. I'm going to be wearing them so much, because it goes with every fit. It goes with, you know, if you're wearing all black, all white, if you're wearing, you know, mixed match colors, it'll go with every fit, because it is just a neutral color. They look good. They're comfortable. The price point is a little bit too high, which is why people are waiting on them to go on sale. No pun intended. Gotta get my dad jokes ready. Comfortable shoe. I've been getting compliments on them already. I wore them out maybe 2 to 3 times, and I already got compliments on them. I got a whole fit going. All right, so it's about 5 in the morning. We're gonna go and do a little quick shift. Started at 6, and we're gonna go for about 5 to 6 hours roughly. This is the fit, obviously, and this is what it looks like on feet. Very comfortable, very nice looking. Cream is kind of my color for this year. I don't know how many steps I took today, but it was like a 5-hour shift, so it was not too long. This is what the progress is looking like on the beaters right here. They're not actually going to be beaters. I'm going to clean them right now, but this is what it's looking like. And for overall comfort, since I did wear these twice for over 5 hours each, this is pretty good. Actually, I'm not even lying. Like, my feet hurt, but not super badly. And you can see that the black rubs onto the outside of it from like pants and stuff like that. But other than that, these look really good still. You can see that. Obviously they look dirty, but I think that's kind of like the look that they go for, since they're like a vintage look. But overall, I love them. Very comfortable. It has really good support on the back here for the heels, I guess you could say. But yeah, amazing shoe. All right, we're gonna check how many steps we did. So today we did 13,000 steps. It's pretty good. You can see we woke up in the morning at around 6, walking around doing some errands and stuff like that. But 13,000 steps is actually a lot. So that's just the overall for today. If you guys want to support by buying some custom t-shirts to match with shoes or match with anything, you know, hit me up in the comments down below, or check out the website in the description and you can easily buy your own custom t-shirt. There is a Black Cat version of these coming out soon, so I'm definitely getting those, because the Black Cat 4s were the last Black Cat that released that I know of. Now they're going to release the AJ5 SE in the Black Cat colorway, which I'm going to try to get those. I'm probably going to try to get 2, because black, you can't go wrong with black shoes, especially if they're all black. These ones are really nice. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this if you want to support. Thank you for watching. Also, I do barber content and I will do other tech videos and all that, so stay tuned.